Understanding turkey breast, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, turkey breast. This video is designed to help you understand its meaning and usage in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this phrase. Turkey breast refers to a specific part of a turkey, which is a large bird commonly found in North America and parts of Europe. The breast of the turkey is the meat from the chest area. It's known for being lean, white meat that is often used in various cuisines around the world. In cooking, turkey breast is a versatile ingredient. It can be roasted, grilled, or cooked in a variety of ways. You'll find it in recipes like sandwiches, salads, and traditional holiday meals, especially during Thanksgiving in the United States. It's a healthier alternative to red meats due to its low fat content. The turkey breast holds a special place in American culture. It's a staple in Thanksgiving dinners, symbolizing abundance and family gatherings. This cultural context adds a layer of meaning to the term, especially in American English. While turkey breast is generally used literally, it's important to note that turkey can also be part of idiomatic expressions. For example, calling someone a turkey in a light-hearted manner means they're being silly or foolish. However, this idiom is not directly related to turkey breast. I hope this video has helped clarify what turkey breast means and how it's used in both culinary and cultural contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the culture. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.